Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics quickly so you can act decisively. Plug the original charger into a confirmed working outlet, then inspect the cable, brick, and connector for visible damage. A bent pin or burn means replacement. Once done, disconnect and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to perform a hardware reset. This clears simple firmware hiccups that block charging. Make sure the charging LED or on-screen icon responds. If it does, proceed to the next diagnostic stage. Now you move into deeper troubleshooting to distinguish hardware from software causes. Try a known good replacement charger, preferably the OEM or a USB-C PD unit with correct wattage, because chargers frequently fail. Next, boot into guest mode or recovery to confirm the operating system isn't blocking charging. Software updates or extensions can interfere. Then, use the built-in diagnostics or CROSH commands to read battery health, charging current, and embedded controller X status. These numbers tell you if the battery or EC is at fault. You're at the final phase where fixes either resolve the issue or point to professional repair. If diagnostics show poor battery health or zero charging current, replace the battery or defective cable, follow model guides, and unplug the battery before any work. If EC firmware is outdated or corrupted, reflash or update it, and perform a factory reset as a last software step. If charging still fails, take the device to authorized service. Motherboard or EC board replacements require specialized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.